Can you recognize it? It's the cheek of the pork, so we can make homemade guanciale. Yes, I posted already a video about it years ago when I was in Italy. Now that I am back in Thailand, I saw it at the macro, so I will do a different recipe because some of you said that the other recipe was a little bit salty. So in this way, the salt is based on the weight of the cheek, on the weight of the meat. So before I wash it under the water, I remove a little bit also the fat and the dirty on the skin with a knife. Now we need to clean it a little bit from maybe piece of blood or from the skin or piece of meat that is not cut properly and give a right shape. It's already a nice piece of cheek. So let's do it better after I tell you how much salt you need based on the weight of the meat. Clean all the meat is better also if you do already the whole, because after we will hang our meat inside the fridge. But before, we should put the meat together with the salt. How much salt? 35 grams of sea salt without iodium every kilogram of meat. So this meat was 1 kilogram and something. Now that we have cleaned it is 1 kilogram. So I will add 35 grams of sea salt and a pinch of pepper. You can add the spices that you like it based on your taste. Some people add bay leaves, some people add a little bit of cinnamon, some people paprika, chili, up to you. Now I will add only a pinch of pepper. I will put it in a plastic bag for food, with a pinch of pepper and the salt, and store in the fridge for 7 days, 1 week. Remember to turn upside down the meat every day. You can also, if you have a big jar, use a big glass container. If you see a little bit of water inside your bag or inside your container, don't worry, it's normal, because the salt now will remove the extra moisture, the extra water inside your meat, and the salt will enter inside. In this way, the meat will be preserved. So see you in 7 days. Remember to turn upside down your meat every day. At the end, I add also 1 clove garlic, but up to you. After 7 days, we can wash our guanciale. I will use homemade beer. This is a tropical IPA. You can find the recipe here on the channel. You can use the wine, or if you have no the wine, no either the beer, you can use 50% of water and 50% of vinegar. We should remove the excess with the kitchen paper. And before adding the black pepper, it's better if we tied it here on the top, because after we need to hang it. And now we should cover the meat, not the skin. The skin should remain like this, with the black pepper freshly crushed, and also with the pepper powder. And now we should hang it at room temperature for 8 hours. Why only 8 hours? Because at the moment the temperature here in my house is 30 Celsius degree, so 8 hours are enough. If you are living in a cold country, maybe you have 20 Celsius degree, you can hang it for 24 hours. Now I will hang it there on the kitchen. Remember to put something under because maybe some liquid, some fat will melt and something will drop on your kitchen, so please be careful, don't make a mess. I don't want that anybody in your family complain about my channel. After 8 hours, before going to bed, we need to check the weight of our guanciale. And after we put in the fridge. Now that I put in the fridge also, I can tell you the temperature and the humidity inside the fridge. 810 grams. So this time I hang it in the door, because in the door the temperature is higher. You can see now that I'm speaking, the temperature is growing and the humidity too. So inside the fridge, when the fridge is closed, the temperature will be around 10 Celsius degree and the humidity around 30%. 680 grams. If you remember, when I hang it in the fridge was 1810 grams. So the guanciale lost 16% of its weight. Can stay a little bit more, but because in a few months I will go back to Italy, I want to eat it with homemade carbonara and homemade amatriciana. So let's cut it. So the skin is very hard, so our guanciale should be ready. Are you ready? Spectacular. You can see the color and the smell even better. Really, really spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some idea, some advice, some suggestions, always down in the comment. Plus, maybe you didn't know yet, with l'uomo di casa we brought the book about homemade liquor, and maybe this year we will write the book about homemade cold cut. So let us know down in the comment your opinion, and if you want to support the channel you can buy also our books. Bye bye. I will do the proper tasting later, because I will make a flat bread cooked in the pan, so I will use my homemade guanciale for the tasting of the bread. Okay, I can eat a small slices, waiting for the bread. The fat from the cheek of the guanciale is the best one. Spectacular. Bye bye.